Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. Start by opening Shopify on your device. Look up the top right corner of the screen and click on My Store. Now click on Manage Account. On the left side of the screen, click on Security. Scroll down the security page until you find the option to log out. Click on it to ensure you are logged out from all sections. Next, navigate back to the main menu and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Plan. Choose the option to cancel trial or cancel subscription depending on your current Shopify plan. Shopify will prompt you to confirm your decision. Click on Continue to proceed. You will be asked to select reasons for closing your store. Choose the option that best matches your situation. Indicate why you are switching to another platform if applicable. Click on Continue to finalize the process. Finally, confirm the closure by clicking on Deactivate Store. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.